What's happening? What's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing fine and today's vlog should be interesting, so let's get in it. Okay, so why not make coffee and chat with you guys? 3 days I did not vlog. 21 vlogs. Oh my god, back to back. I could do it and I was like, I'm gonna do 1 month for sure to test myself if I can daily vlog or not. And it was not me. It was the laptop. In fact, not even the laptop, it was the charger. Yes, the story was simple. I'm sure people who follow me on Instagram already know that my charger was busted. I had this is not alcohol, this is water. So that I had taped my charger since 3 months and I was using, you know, the jugaad scene. It busted the day I took the Husqvarnas for a nice ride. Yes, that vlog was supposed to be the next one, but I'm posting that tomorrow. I've done something crazy, you know. I don't know if it's impulsive or not. You guys need to comment for that, but if that parcel comes today, I'll show it to you guys. My laptop is back to normal. Everything is fine, and that's why you're able to watch this vlog. Yeah, by the way, that's my light. So the initial shot of this vlog, you saw that I'm coming from somewhere. Yes, I had gone to Ishna Service Center, Royal Enfield, to return my bike, return my motorcycle. I am without a bike. Oh, coffee. I forgot about it. Hey. The smell itself wakes you up, but I'm up since 9 in the morning and whatever shots I showed you in the intro, that's the whole vlog today. Okay, so what happened to my motorcycle? That's the question. If you've not seen my previous vlog, I did have a puncture. After that puncture, I did get it replaced, so I again went to Ishnaville to put the rear shaft. After that, when I was riding, the bike felt a bit different, okay, especially on the rear wheel. You know, whenever I would deaccelerate, the bike would immediately slow down. Even if I press the clutch, it would slow down immediately. That doesn't happen. It should be free flow. So I could sense there's something wrong, maybe something's touching. So I noticed that the wheel was not aligned properly. It could be the bearing setting or something. I can't judge it at this moment, so I immediately went to Ishna. Okay, so I am dropping my bike at Ishna. They're gonna see how smooth it is. I think it's misbalanced, and also I'm trying to resolve the wobbling issue. That's the main thing, major concern of everyone. Let's see if that gets resolved. If it's done, I will definitely vlog about it. Besides that, there were a lot of questions about tire wobble. Yes, a lot of people have experienced that on Interceptor 650. I have also faced it and I've shown it in my Goa vlogs. Also, anywhere above 80 or 90 kilometers per hour speed, it starts wobbling. So there are a lot of people who have tried to find out this problem. This could be the issue with the tires. This could be the issue with the bearings. This could be even the issue with the handlebar or maybe the cone set. So in a way, no one has finally found a solution about this. So this was also my concern. So I spoke to the guy there and I said, hey, you know, I am getting this bike here for the rear wheel. That is some other problem which can be done easily, but I feel this wobble should be also kind of a concern. Okay, you know what, let's do that. Get a bike here, give it to us, we'll do a test on it, we'll check everything out. So if things work well, I will definitely put this in my vlog and I think some Interceptor buddies will be happy. If not, I will have to go towards alloy wheels, and I am not a fan of alloy wheels on an Interceptor. It's not only about the look, it's also about the flexibility for the spokes, and let's see how this goes around. And that's the reason I tried to change my tire on my own. I wanted to learn, because if something like this happens on the road, I should carry an extra tube and I can replace it. I know it's a lot of hard work, 2 hours, 3 hours gone down the drain. Eventually, if push comes to a shove, then I might put alloy wheels just for touring bit, and I might replace it if I'm doing a bit of a kacha rasta kind of a ride. So anyways, this was about Yakuza. Oh yeah, and talking about these garage sale. Okay, let's enter my space, and now I'm quickly gonna talk about everything else. Welcome to my space, fellas. And the vlogging culprit was this. This is a brand new one. Yes, this is a third party. I bought it for 1750, and yes, the previous one was also a third party which lasted me 2 years, which I had sellotaped it all around and people were laughing on Instagram. Also, the problems I was facing is when I was calling everyone that do you have a charger, and they were like, we don't have for this model, and I was like really shitting bricks, and that is the time I could not vlog. Sid called me and said, Goregaon, you can get this from this place. I said, Sid, do one thing, you just call him. If he has, just tell him to keep it aside. I don't care what the price is. I badly need it. Just tell him to keep it aside. I will come even 6 or 7 in the evening. Luckily, I reached the place and the shop was about to shut in like 15-20 minutes, and he's like, yeah, we've kept your charger. So with the butter paper, I'm doing some kind of a DIY actually here. So to control the light system. So well, this was the challenge, and finally now I can edit. And yes, I'm sure you guys already saw the comparative video. Unfortunately, what happened is my mic. Yes, so your friend or your rider buddy Raj has actually invested in another mic because this mic got busted. This is the wet pillion I'm riding, and boom, you can see full volume, no audio. And I usually don't like voiceovers because it loses the element which I had on the go. Rad Moto is all about raw vlogs, right? Yeah, I'm not a very narrative and kind of a voiceover guy for such content, but I have no choice, so I will try to speak exactly what happened with me rather than sugarcoating things and stuff like that. And Abhideep is also geared up, who is filming me right now. And so you will be able to hear all this definitely in the video, but you won't be able to hear the actual review, which is a real bummer for me. So much of mehnat. This is Rohan's GoPro footage. This is the SJ cam footage which we kept it near the crash guard, and this is obviously some footage initially taken which I will try to sync, and the GoPro is already reading from my Hero 4 files right now. So you can see the amount of effort but no audio. Me and Siddhant won't give up on that mic jack. We're gonna actually dissect it and see where the problem lies. And for that experiment, I have to invest in a new mic. I have spent another 1400 rupees from Amazon, and the date it says is 19 September. Damn! So today's vlog is all about the situation, guys. So I know few people who like wear the motorcycles. I'm sorry about that, but there are others who are also believing in my vlog, because if regular vlogs means daily content, right? Daily content can be everything what happens with me. That's what vlogging is all about. And अब मुझे लग रही है भूख, and पहाड़ों वाली मैगी खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो quickly थोड़ा खा लेता हूँ, and we'll come back. And I know one thing for sure, that you all miss this shot. When I open the window and say, "Arey, it's raining or not," but I'm gonna stop doing that because now it seems the rains have stopped. Well, Pahado Wali Maggie was amazing. Yes, I have purchased a new laptop. So it'll be day after for you guys, and I will shoot tomorrow the unboxing. Even I'm waiting for him. In fact, I'm vlogging about the same thing. Yeah, I'm acting like a kid. Oh my god, a middle-aged grown man acting like a 12-year-old. Okay guys, on serious note, I ended the vlog. I was like, the parcel won't come today. And I ended the vlog, I moved out, I was just chilling, listening to music, and I got a call, the Amazon guy is down. So why is he so excited like a kid, you know? But it's good to remain a kid, right? And I'm blocked here, right here. Listening that. So someone bought a big ass fridge. I'm taking a lift from the first floor. Woohoo! Okay, we have received the box. Okay, box has arrived. Excited, but unboxing next video, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is ride review. After that, ज़्यादा excitement अच्छी बात नहीं है, but I'm too excited. See you guys soon.